The household debt to income ratio in Canada is on the decline, but there is a reason for that. Government support during the pandemic contributed to an improvement in Canadian household indebtedness in the first half of 2020. Household credit market debt dropped to 158% of disposable income in the second quarter from 175%. Now, government income transfers during COVID-19 and mortgage deferrals, along with record low interest rates, have provided financial relief to many Canadians during the pandemic. But of course, those programs will not be in place forever. Support measures will eventually wind down, and there is an expectation we could see delinquencies and consumer insolvencies begin to rise at the end of this year, right into next year. A losing week on North American markets, and at times it was pretty bumpy. Now the Nasdaq actually looking at its worst week since March. So the tech stock still taking a hit after that sector saw a pretty big run up. As an example, shares in Apple did move lower today, and the company slipped below $2 trillion in market cap this week. And for the record, we did see gains to start the day. Now, we are only 10 trading days into the month of September, actually 9, and historically, September is bad for markets. All North American markets are looking at losses this month. Bay Street off by about 2% in September, down by about 5% year to date. Oil was lower this week. Gold was higher. Now, stock and coal producers in North America did see gains today, and that includes Vancouver-based Teck Resources. That stock up by 12% at one point today, the biggest bounce in months, with trading volume quadruple the average volume. Shares in Teck Resources, though, still down by more than 20% year to date. And driving the gains today, a report that Chinese demand is going up. And a rough week for shares in Nikola after that stock took a beating again today. Yesterday, a short seller accused it of being an intricate fraud. And then today, a different short seller called it a total fraud. Now, Nikola says it's considering legal action against the first firm, Hindenburg Research, but some analysts argue that denial from Nikola on Hindenburg's accusation did not offer any details. In the 680 Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.